Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to do the detailed review of Dekuve Linux. Let us start. We have installed the Dekuve Linux in the last video and we saw there were some graphics glitches. The system was very unresponsive, but today I have done one correction, so I am expecting a smooth operation of the desktop. So now this is the boot screen, and in the boot screen you have got the kernel 6.1 is available, and there is another kernel 6.1.0-32 and 33. So two kernels are available. We will boot into the latest kernel. So this is quite older kernel. I think it is the bookworm kernel. So exactly what happened is, in the last video I had booted, or I started the GNOME boxes using the discrete graphics card as the default graphics card for this application. So maybe because of that the issues were there, because the GUI was very unresponsive. Every time the installation, every step of the installation, it was slowing down, and it was not showing the progress of the installation. It was freezing. The progress bar was freezing. I had to hit the cancel button to update the progress bar of the CalMS installer. And the GUI also was, the interface of the desktop was also not that responsive. So today what I have done is, I have started the GNOME boxes using the default graphics card, that is the AMD graphics card instead of the NVIDIA graphics card. So this is how the login screen of Dekuve Linux will look. Looks very nice, very subtle, and very original design is there. At the top right you have got the keyboard layout selection. So US English, Latam, that is Espanol, and the GB Dvorak is there. Three options are there by default. The power button is there. What is this button? Maybe it is restart button. This is I don't know. Okay, so this is the suspend button. So let it suspend, and then we will restart the system, bring it out of the suspension. And there is a third, there was a fourth button here. Let it get suspend. I think suspend won't happen. So what we will do is, we will force shutdown and we will restart like this. So that will save us time. So this is the splash screen of Dekuve Linux. What is this? I think it is, I don't know what it is. I think lock button, I don't know what exactly it is. Let us hit this. Oh, a hibernation button here. So you have got suspension and hibernation button, both are available. So here also what I will do is, we will just restart the system. That's the best thing. So I think this is the one of the few Linux distributions where both hibernate and suspension buttons are available on the login screen. So here you can see it is resuming from the hibernation. That's great. Let us see whether it successfully comes out of the hibernation. So that is a good test of the Linux distribution that we are doing live. Let us see what happens. If it takes more than 2 minutes, I will restart the system. I will do a force shutdown and restart. I think the issue is there. It's not going to come out of the hibernation fast. The best is force shutdown and restart the system. Okay, so now let us do the login. What is this? Let us check this out. Yes, so total 2 sessions are available. One is the X session, that is default X session, and the XFC session is there. And you can search for users using this button. So there is only one button right now, one user. So there is only one button with the username. Otherwise, it will show multiple users that are all configured in the system. Let us input our password and let us log in into the system. First thing, I think we will have to change the resolution. Yes, we will have to change the resolution. But at least now the system is responsive. The GUI is responsive. I didn't have any issues right now as compared to the installation video that we did last time. Okay, so this is the XFC desktop. It is a heavily modded XFC desktop of Dekuve Linux. First thing that we are going to do is you are going to change the resolution. It is taking some time to open up. So meanwhile, what we can do is we will check out the top panel. In the top panel, you have got desktop. You can open multiple desktop using this new button, and you can quit desktop. In the file section, you can open files. So this is the file manager. You can directly access your documents, music, pictures, and video from here. So these are the shortcuts on the panel. This is the network manager. You have got VPN connections, wired connections. You can enable, disable networking. You can have the connection information shown to you. You can edit the connections. Then this is the volume control. You have got built-in analog, stereo, the audio mixer audio mixer is there, so you can open the audio mixer from here. This is the microphone, and the simple volume control is there. Let us open the audio mixer. Okay, and meanwhile we will open the displays. Yes, we will keep this configuration, close this. So here, this is the advanced volume control. You can control your playback, recording, input, output, DSS, everything from here. You can have multiple audio cards. Those can be controlled from here. I'm not going into much details every time because same things I have to repeat. Yes, so there is a presentation mode available here. Just like we see the presentation mode in elementary OS, this is available here. And you can do settings also. So this is the power manager settings from here. So you can allocate actions to the buttons. When power button is pressed, sleep button is pressed, hibernate button is pressed, battery button is pressed. So all those kinds of things, status notifications, you can start the status notification, system tray icon, we can start that. System is little bit slow and it falls back behind the user inputs. So my review will be much slower because the system is not responding as it should. You can see multiple times I'm clicking, but the power manager is not responding. So we can continue ahead. This is the power button. So you can log out power of your system, hibernate, suspend, and this is your keyboard layout. At the bottom, you have got the weather. It shows the weather at my location. And also you can watch some details. Right now it is by default showing the weather for Sumy, Ukraine. But of course we can configure this and make it show the details at your location. Then what is this? Let us check this out. So it will open up. So meanwhile we can come back to power manager, and in the system you can do the setting for the sleep mode. So when to sleep the system, whether it will be inactive for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 2 hours, like that, all those settings. And in display, let us check out the display power management. So here system is quite slow. Yes. So this is the greeter manager. So here you can change the greeter background, so you can add different videos at the greeter background. So here you can see three are given: beach, aesthetics, and the abstract. So you can choose any one. Let us go with the beach, or we can go with the aesthetics also. So let us apply this aesthetics. We will apply, and you have to apply it here. So I have to input my password. So that is applied. So at the end of the video, we will check out whether this video gets applied as the greeter background. So I will close this right now. You can see it here. This is how it will look. I will close this. And in display, you can do the settings for the blank after how many minutes, sleep after how many minutes, switch after how many minutes, brightness reduction, all those things. And in security, I think it is the screen lock. So let it open. And meanwhile, we can open this. What is this application? Okay, so this was it. We have checked out the greeter. And what was this? Let us check this out. And what is this? I think this is calculator. So two applications we will check out. And meanwhile, in Power Manager, the light locker is there. So you can automatically lock the screen when the screensaver is activated. And the delay in locking the screens after the screensaver is activated, lock screen when system is going to sleep, and all those kinds of settings are available. That's it for the Power Manager. Yes, now we have opened up the, I think this is the Dekuve FlatHub store. So Dekuve supports Flatpaks, and you can install the choice applications from FlatHub, that is the Flatpaks of your choice. And you can scroll through them, you can search here, and this is the application store. So let us, it has minimized, let us maximize it. Okay, so this is the theme. Okay, and I think this is the Flatpak store. Let us open up. No, this is the greeter. Just a moment, system is very slow. And what is this? Okay, so I think this is the Thunar file manager. Yes, this is the Thunar file manager. So it is totally different, looking very different from typical Thunar file manager, how it looks in other Linux distributions. This is totally looking very different. So let us check out the themes later. First, what we will do is, let us check out, yes, the Flatpak store. Yes, we will here. So here you can check out the trending popular applications, new updated. So any application that is updated, it will be shown here in this section. So that ensures the users use the updated applications. New applications, any new application introduced in the Flatpak store will be shown here. So total of 5 applications have been installed. Flatpak applications have been installed. Any way to see? Because I think this is very unresponsive store is there. Just let me go at the bottom. What is there at the bottom? Let us check out. So these are the games that are available. You can see it here. Games are available. So there are sections, science section, system sections, everything is there. So I think it is a good collection of applications are available here. Mission center is there, container oriented terminal, not many things are there. Game launchers are also there. Let us check this out. Game launchers, emulators are there, game tools are there. You can see here, these are the different game launchers available. Let us check out the emulators. These are the emulators available here in the FlatHub store. Then game tools, let us check out. These are the game tools to run the Windows games on your system. You have to use this, and to increase the performance or make the games compatible with your system, you have to use the game tools. And now we will check out the games themselves. So lot many things are there. Okay, so developer tools are also there. So if you are a developer, you can use the different developer tools. Science tools are there. We could have seen more applications, but you can see the system is not responding very fast. It is very boring to slowly check everything. So I think this is good enough. You have got a good idea of the Dekuve FlatHub store. I'm going to close this. Now let us check out the theme. So the default theme is Dekuve Dark, and the icon theme is also Dekuve Dark. And you can mix match the theme and the icon theme. Now let us go with the light one. Let us go with the light one. You can see here it is not getting updated. Okay, yes. Now let us wait for the updation to complete, and then we will check whether the theme changes or not. Now let us check out what is this. I will just close this Thunar file manager. Okay, so this is the Dekuve package manager. So you can check out for system updates. You can check out the install system packages, update flatpaks and remove flatpaks from here. Let us check out for the update. Let us input our password. You can also do a full system upgrade from here, and you can upgrade or update specific packages or applications from here. Let us check this out also. And meanwhile, we have changed the Dekuve. I think this is the light theme, but the theme is yet to apply properly. System is quite slow. Yes, now the system update has come up. You can see. Let us check how many applications are there for updation. Let us check this out. So it is taking time. So what we can do is, yes, now it has responded. Let us go at the end and check it out, everything. Let us go here. Yes, now it is responding. So I think lot many updates are there. We will do a separate video on the updates right now. So what we can do is, I will just close this down. Yes, I will just show you the installed system packages, and then we will close this down, and in the separate video we will try to do a system update. Let us check whether the system update works properly or not in Dekuve. Yes, now the theme has get applied. You can see here the dark theme has gone away and the lighter theme is there. So there is not that much great difference between light and dark theme here in Dekuve, but overall system looks very fantastic. Very beautiful looking system they are designed. Now let us check out the terminal. So this is the, okay, so this is not a terminal, it is a deb installer. Okay, I thought it is a terminal. So it is not a terminal. The icon looks like that of a terminal, but it is a deb installer. So let it start functioning properly. So here it will show the installed packages. Let us try this out. Yes. So you have to provide the package path here, so that the deb installer will fetch the files for installation from that package path, and then it will do the installation. So you can browse the deb packages from here. So you can go to the folder where the packages for installation are available, and then from there it will do the installation. So that's great. What is this? I think this is okay. So this is the terminal. So I think the icons have interchanged. This terminal icon should come here, and this icon should go there for the this deb installer. Okay. Now let us try to do sudo apt update. Let us see what happens. Okay. How many updates are there? That will give us a good idea. It is responding very slow. I have to wait for the inputs. What is this? Okay, so this is the settings. So I think this settings should come here. So I think the icons are mixed up. So Dekuve team should check this out. The we will check this panel afterwards. Okay. We wait for the terminal to respond. So I think if you have got 2 GB systems, don't install Dekuve. It will not work. You can see here. I got 8 GB RAM. I have allocated 4 GB to the system. Yet Dekuve is not performing. I had given it full 4 GB of RAM, graphics RAM, NVIDIA graphics RAM. Yet it was not responding. And meanwhile, we will check this out. Okay, so you can see here what issue is there. Okay, so these are the installed system packages, and now let us check out the Flatpaks that are installed. I think I will just close this. Okay, let's do it once. Let us check for the Flatpaks, whether Flatpaks are there pre-installed. Now let us see how much update is there, how many GB or MB of updates is there to be done. Yes, you can see here it is based on bookworm. So I was right in my guess. This is based on the Debian bookworm. Okay, so their upgrade is there available. So there is an issue with the keyring for Chrome. Chrome is, I think, default browser. So meanwhile, let us check for the updates. Okay, so these are the updates available for the Flatpaks pre-install on your system. So key pass is there, pickup, backup is there, gear lever, Intel, I think this is the video acceleration driver, default runtime is there. So this is all available as Flatpak pre-install in the system. And remove Flatpaks, let us see what is there. And same applications which were there ready for update, I think same are available as a for a removal. And you can uninstall application, remove unused runtimes, and fix inconsistencies. So if there is some package residue or orphan packages or files, you can use those fixed inconsistencies to remove them and remove any application package completely using this. So that's it for the Dekuve package manager. I will close this. We will do the system update later. I just want to check how much upgrade is available. What is the size of the upgrade that is available? So okay, so here you can see 251 packages are ready to be upgraded, 3 newly installed, 0 to remove, and 0 not upgraded. So total 575 MB of archives is there. So I'm not going to do it, of course. We will keep this for another video. I will just close this down, close window. Okay, now in settings, let us check out what is available. You can see it's very slow. Okay. So here you have got appearance, clipboard manager, Dekuve greeter settings that we have checked. Theme settings also we have checked. This is the desktop setting, file manager settings, Mate user manager is there, notifications, panel is there. So we can do customization of panel, window manager tweaks, workspaces, XFC, terminal settings. So all typical XFC settings are there for the user, with addition of Dekuve themes and the Dekuve greeter settings. So that's it. And we can go down. It is not responding very fast. These are the different color profiles, but when I put the cursor on color profiles, it is showing me set Bluetooth adapter properties. So here you can see system is lagging far behind. So what we can do is let it respond. Meanwhile, we can check out the different applications that are there. So here you can check out about XFC. Let us click here. So the OS name is Dekuve 2.1 64-bit. It is based on Debian. XFC version is 4.18, that is Bookworm. So in Bookworm, the XFC version was 4.18. GTK version is 3.24.38. Kernel version is 6.1. So I had got this based on the kernel version. Say kernel was 6.1 by default in Debian Bookworm or the Debian 12. So that's why I had a guess that this Dekuve 2.1 is based on the Debian Bookworm. And this is my system configuration, hardware configuration. Okay. Now next, the application finder, Bluetooth adapters, character map, portal. Let us open the tiling manager. It is not opening. It is there. Okay. So yes, portal manager. Let us open this. And meanwhile, here you can see in the settings you got color profiles, display, keyboards, mouse and touchpad, power manager is there, pulse audio, volume control, renewable drives and media. In system you got accessibility, default applications, session and startup. In other settings you got Bluetooth adapters and the settings editor. So this is all typical XFC settings application. Why the Kurtile manager is still not opening up? Let us open the appearance. Here you can see the Advaita dark, Dekuve dark and the high contrast themes are available. So this is the appearance application of XFC. So in addition to this, they have got the Dekuve application also to change the themes. And in icons, you got Dekuve icons, Dekuve dark icons and the Gnome icons, Tango icons is also available. Okay, so I'm not going to change the icons because system is already very slow, and once we change the icons, the system will again slow down and it won't show the updated icons. It will take long time, so I'm not going to waste time. So we have seen this Catfish file search, we all know. BlitchBit as an administrator. So I will just show you BlitchBit in short. Let it open up. So BlitchBit is nothing but an application to clean the temporary files and other unnecessary files that are collected on your system. To make the system more responsive, you have to clean all the TMP files generated by system, all unnecessary files generated by the users time to time to keep your system spick and span. That's it for the BlitchBit. So we'll let it open up. Meanwhile, we will go ahead. Now system has become unresponsive again. We can open this. Yes, we have seen the weather app. Here you can see it is unresponsive. Okay, now it is showing up. BlitchBit we have checked. What is this unnecessary admin? Okay. Ngram archive is there. Beaver Notes, so it is a application for note taking. We will hit that and open it up. Then Core Tiling Manager is not opening up. Let us try 2 or 3 applications and try to, yes, it is now working. You can see this portal is working. Let us open another application and try to tile or see whether the tiling happens automatically. You can open another application. Yes, you can see the tiling is happening automatically. So portal is working perfectly. Let us open another application. Yes, it is working. Perfect. So portal is working perfectly. I will close all this. Close this, and this. Beaver notes I have. Okay, so beaver notes we forgot to check out. Where is beaver notes? We will open the beaver notes again. Let us check out the version and some text, some information about beaver notes that we will check. It's taking quite long. So you can easily backup, protect and import your data from and fro to and fro from the beaver nodes. So that is available. So you can also add extra layer of protection, encrypt with password. So you can protect your nodes with a password. That's good. Nothing else is there. At the top you have got the tools for text, and there is a panel at the left hand side for the your note taking requirements. That's it for the beaver notes. I will cancel this. Then F3D is a 3D viewer is there. Let us open this application, 3D viewer. Let us check out the default applications also. So by default for internet, no application is selected. Let us check out. So they are included Debian Sensible browser. Let us try this out. Sensible browser. And mail reader, nothing is there. For utilities, let us check this out. It is taking, yes, it is taking time. Okay. So default file manager is Thunar, XFC terminal as default terminal, and others. Let us check this out. So here the different applications are shown. So for a text editor, it is gedit, and Grandpa archive manager is default for the zip files, and for the photos it is GIMP or the GNU image manipulator. Here again you can see the system is not responsive. So I'm going to close this down because it is taking too long to scroll also. You got the idea. And to open a 3D file, you have to drag and drop a file here. So I don't have any 3D file right now with me. So I will not able to show you much here. But it is an application to open 3D drawings, and draw IO is that also we will check. Anything else is there? Let us go at the bottom. It's very slow response. So draw IO is nothing but a flowchart maker and online diagrams. So there is an update available. Do you want to download and install a new version? So I am going to cancel this out. You can start with a new diagram or open an existing diagram. That's it. Nothing. And these are all the general symbols, standard symbols for drawing the flowcharts. I am going to close this. You got the idea what it is. You can see here it is, even scrolling is also difficult. The icons are not getting displayed. You can see here the system is quite slow. I think the system is not optimized for virtual machine, but if you install it on your bare metal, it will work properly. Here I will have to hit multiple times on the keypad to make it go down. I am using arrow keys. Mouse is it is not responding to mouse. Yes, and you can run your app images or any executable bin files. So you have to use this run button to run any bin file, and any file, suppose app image file you want to run, you have to use these files. So hitting this, you can go and search for the file where in the folder where it is there, and then you have to select the file, hit here, and then I think it will execute the file. The executable file will get executed. You can see it is not responding at all. Very slow in response. Very slow. So some applications I wanted to show you. One was this backup. The backup application is there, but system is not responding. Okay, so what I will do is I will try to write up here. Let us see what happens. What we can do is, let me log out and log in. You can see when log out also, it is quite slow. So we will post shut down this, and now we will start. Let us see if the new background comes up on the screen. Let us see the greeter or login screen, how it will show up. So now I will again change over to graphics card for the graphics. So I am using NVIDIA graphics card now. It is a discrete graphic cards because the system was not giving me good performance. So here again same issue is there. Only the booting times are improved. Otherwise there is no much relief for me. System is quite slow. I cannot proceed ahead. But let me tell you, you have got LibreOffice is there available. You have got this backup tool is there. Pika backup is there for the system backup, and some of the tools like the theme selector and all those things I have shown you. Plus the appearance is also there. The icons are there for the Dekuve, dark and light icons are there. Icon sets are there. So overall system is very good. You have got the this FlatUp store is there. So by default, Dekuve uses the FlatUp store for installing applications. Plus, you have got your just show you here. Your system updater is there, and you can install programs using the system updater. Okay, so system is quite slow, I must say. So this is the Dekuve things we have seen. This is the Dekuve greeter settings we have seen. This is the Dekuve dev installer we have seen. And the Dekuve package manager we have seen. So this is what additional Dekuve has to offer on a Debian base. So Debian base is common, and on the Debian base they have some specific applications, Dekuve applications that we have seen. Pika backup will remain pending, because you can see I am not able to scroll down to the bottom of the application list. LibreOffice is also there, and there will be some one or two other applications that we will miss. But over and all, this is a very good looking, beautiful desktop. The design is very good, and I think it will work properly on a bare metal. It is not that responsive in a virtual machine. I think the developers of Dekuve should work and make it more suitable for the virtual machine use also. It's very tardy system, but otherwise it is a very good attempt to make a very exclusive Linux. It looks very different from other Linux distributions, and I think it will be very user friendly, and it grow in popularity in coming years. I think in 1 or 2 years it might grow in popularity and hit the top 15 chart in DistroWatch. So on that note, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. We will try out the Dekuve system update and system upgrade, whether it works or not. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.